In this video, you'll learn how to automate Instagram using n8n. By the end of this tutorial, you will have created a workflow that streamlines your Instagram activities without manual input. Begin by navigating to the n8n website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. After logging in, you will be directed to the n8n dashboard where you can see various options. Next, locate and click on the Workflows section. This option is usually found in the left-hand menu. Once you select Workflows, you will be taken to a new screen displaying your existing workflows and options to create new ones. After that, click on Templates within the Workflows menu. This will allow you to browse available templates that can be used as a starting point for your automation tasks. You should now see a list of templates divided by categories. Once the templates load, find the search bar at the top of the page, click on it to activate the input field where you will type in Instagram automation. This will filter the templates to show only those related to Instagram. After entering the search term, review the filtered results and select a suitable template that meets your automation needs. Each template usually comes with a brief description to help you. Next, click on the Use for Free button associated with the selected template. This action will open the template in a new workspace where you can customize it according to your requirements. Once the template is opened, look for the option that says Import Template to Own Workspace. Clicking this will officially add the template to your personal workspace, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments before activating the automation. Keep in mind that depending on the complexity of the template, you may need to configure specific settings, such as your Instagram account details. Make sure your account is ready for automation by checking your privacy settings and permissions. After completing all configurations, save your workflow. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your workflow has been saved successfully. At this point, you can also test the automation to ensure it works as intended. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.